Hello and welcome back. In this video I will show you how to create this overlay effect using the blend mode. You can also apply this to other shapes. Select your text and change the blend mode from normal to overlay. Depending on the design, you can also select a different mode to see what works best for you. In some cases, it looks even better if you duplicate the font. I will show you a better example in a moment. Here I have the font in black, which looks better on a light background. In this example, I want to show you that depending on where you position the text, you can achieve a different effect. Here I'm using black again and duplicating the top text for a strong effect.